Is this the burial cloth of Jesus? Or the most convincing medieval fake ever made? Let's find out now. Skeptic. In 1998, 3 labs carbon dated the shroud. Result: AD 1260 to 1390. Squarely medieval. Believer, but those samples came from one small corner, possibly repaired. And in 2022, new X-ray WAXS tests on a tiny thread showed cellulose aging, like 1st century linen, almost identical to cloth found at Masada. Skeptic. WAXS is a new method, dependent on storage conditions. Radiocarbon had 3 independent labs. Believer. Still, the STURP team in 1978 found no paints, dyes, or pigments. The image isn't brushwork. It's a faint surface discoloration with 3D properties. No medieval artist knew how to do that. Skeptic. Microscopist Walter Macrone saw pigment particles, and some bloodstains look staged. Not natural for a body lying flat. Believer. But since URP chemists Heller and Adler tested the stains directly, they found hemoglobin chemistry and ultraviolet serum halos. Classic signs of real blood and clot retraction. That's hard to fake. Skeptic. Historically, the shroud shows up only in 14th century France. And just recently, Nicole Reveres, one of the top medieval scholars, called it a clear fake, even before the 1389 bishop's memo. Believer, yet the image nails crucifixion details that medieval artists usually got wrong. Nails through the wrists, not palms. Thumbs tucked from nerve damage. Details that fit real crucifixion science, not medieval imagination. Skeptic. Contamination is everywhere. Pollen, DNA, centuries of handling, and modern labs have used UV lasers to mimic shroud-like images. Believer. But none of those experiments have fully reproduced the shroud's unique qualities. Its superficial image, its chemical features, and its stunning anatomical accuracy. That mystery still stands. Skeptic and the Catholic Church. It only calls the shroud an icon, never officially authentic. Believer, because the Church isn't in the business of running science labs. Its role isn't to authenticate fibers and isotopes. It's to guide faith. They let scientists debate the data, while the Church honors the shroud as a relic for prayer and reflection. And now, new findings suggest WAX's dating may indeed place the linen around 2,000 years old, right in the time of Jesus. If accurate, this could be the most studied relic in history, and still the most mysterious. So, miracle cloth or medieval masterpiece? Drop your verdict in the comments.